Welcome to our YouTube video on Photoshop skills for beginners. Have you ever wondered how professionals create stunning graphics or enhance photos? If you've ever looked at a picture and thought, wow, I wish I could unsee that, then you're in the right place because Photoshop is the digital eraser of life's awkward moments. Whether you're an aspiring graphic designer, a photographer who can't get enough of those just woke up selfies, or a digital artist who dreams in pixels, mastering Photoshop is like getting a creative superpower. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's delve into these 10 essential Photoshop skills. In this video, I'll be your Photoshop sensei, your guru of graphics, your wizard of the web. Okay, you get the picture. With over 4 years of turning oops into oohs, I'm here to guide you through the digital jungle of layers, filters, and the ever-elusive pen tool. So grab your mouse, and let's paint the town red, or any color you want because, well, Photoshop. 1. Head swapping. Ever wanted to see your boss on a chicken's body? Let's dive into the magic of head swapping. 2. Background removal and replacement. Say goodbye to photobombers and hello to backgrounds that don't scream, I'm at the DMV. 3. Color correction and grading. Turn those too much flash photos into just stepped out of a magazine masterpieces. 4. Photo retouching. Learn to smooth out those wrinkles on photos, not real life. Sorry, we're not miracle workers. 5. Object removal or addition. Make that X disappear from your favorite photo. No magic wand required. 6. Creating and editing digital illustrations. Unleash your inner Da Vinci, even if you can't draw a stick figure in real life. 7. Designing posters, banners, and graphics. Create designs that make people stop and stare, and not just because they're stuck in traffic. 8. Photo manipulation. Enter the world of surrealism where cats have wings, and pizzas fly. 9. Adding text and topography, because sometimes, a picture needs 1,000 words, or just a witty caption. 10. Creating custom brushes and effects. Make your mark with brushes that are more unique than a unicorn with a mohawk. Learning these skills is crucial for mastering Photoshop because they form the foundation of your proficiency in the software. By acquiring these skills, you gain the ability to manipulate images, design graphics, and unleash your creativity with confidence. Whether you're a photographer, graphic designer, or digital artist, knowing how to perform tasks like head swapping, background removal, and color correction opens up endless possibilities for your projects. Learning these skills is crucial for mastering Photoshop because they form the foundation of your proficiency in the software. By acquiring these skills, you gain the ability to manipulate images, design graphics, and unleash your creativity with confidence. However, mastering Photoshop isn't just about acquiring knowledge, it's also about practice and experimentation. The more you practice and experiment with these skills, the more proficient you'll become. Don't be afraid to try new techniques, explore different tools, and push your creative boundaries. With dedication and perseverance, you'll gradually enhance your Photoshop proficiency and unlock your full creative potential. Thank you for watching our video on essential Photoshop skills for beginners. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. Soon, you will be able to head swap your way into any conversation, remove unwanted photo guests faster than a bouncer at a VIP party, and color correct like you invented rainbows. Practice makes perfect. Remember, and in Photoshop, Ctrl-Z is your best friend. If you watch this video till the end, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribing to our channel for more Photoshop tutorials and tips, because I told you to. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future. Happy Photoshopping!